Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make any photo laugh and smile using Pipet AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit the Pipet AI website. You can click the join link on my YouTube description if you want, and you're going to sign into this website with your Google account and go to the home menu, select image, then you're going to upload an image that you want to edit. I'm going to choose, for instance, this image, and I'm going to add this prompt to make this photo smile and laugh, and I'm going to send it to the AI and let the AI do something for this photo according to the prompt. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, finally the video is ready, and I'm going to play it guys to see how it looks. Okay, like this. And if you want to download it guys, you can click on this download menu and you can choose the format, either MP4 or GIF. Then just download it, and if you are not satisfied with the result, you can try again. And yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how we can make any photo smile and laugh in Pipet AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.